Hello guys, welcome to your own channel I Live for Coding, and here I am your friend Ronit Mukherjee. You're watching the video how to set up Node web server in 2019. So guys, in today's video let's see how to install Node.js in our system and then quickly create a Hello World web server. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then quickly press the subscribe button and then the bell icon so that you do not miss the new video. So guys, let us quickly move to install Node.js. So guys, you can see you have to move to https://nodejs.org website. It's the official Node.js website. And then once you reach on the home page, you can see the options to install. So for now, you can go for the version 10.x, the version whatever will appear on this site. It will show the two. Go for the recommended because it has the more support and more help you will get if you face any problem. So always go for this one. And once you install all these things, you can go to your code. Let us go to our code. Okay, so once you are into the code, go to any folder, create a folder anywhere on your system. Then once you are create the folder, go inside the folder and check that folder. You can run this command from anywhere, but check it here. Okay, so it's showing that Node.js is installed in my system. The 10.14 version is installed in my system. So once you are inside the folder, write a command called npm init-y. So it will do the npm initialization in the folder, and y will say that just skip the answers and do the default. So it will create a package.json. For creating package.json, it asks some questions and we have to give some answers. If we want to keep all that answers as default, so we can pass the -y as an option. So now let us create a new file, index.js, anything you can give it a name, and now let us create the server. So I will require HTTP. It's the already available with the node, so we do not have to install anything externally. And let me keep the port as 3000 and now create a server. From server is equal to http.create server, and it accepts a callback. In callback there are two parameters, request comma response. Now let us leave this code for now. We will go and start the server first. So for that we have to write server.listen. Our server is the variable which we created using http.create server, and in the listen we will pass the first parameter as the port. So port is saved in our port variable, so I use that port variable, and it then have a callback function which will run once the server start listening to the given port. So I will console log here, console.log server is listening, server has started at port variable. Okay, so once it's done, what we will do, we will go inside our http create server callback function, and there we will send a response to the client. So for that we have to write rest.write, means we are writing something in the rest response, and here I will write hello world, and then we will end the response. We will do rest.end, so it will end the response. So let us save it. So it's saved, and now to run this server, what we have to do is simply inside the folder you have to write node and then the file path. So you can run this command from anywhere, but you have to give the complete folder and then file path of the function where of the file which we have created to run this server. But as currently it's inside my current folder, so I'm just writing index.js directly. Okay, so it will show, it's saying that required is not defined. So what we have done is we have written required here, so it's require. It was a mistake, and let's run. So it's saying the server has started at port 3000. Now let us move to our browser. Let me open up our localhost here, localhost 3000. and we should see hello world here. Okay guys, so we can see hello world here, and let me quickly try to update it and change it to something else like hello world 2 or something like that. Let me write hello world my friends, and let's save it, and we have to rerun the server. So for that I have just cancelled the previous operation using Ctrl C, and now I will do node index.js again. So it shows that node server has started at port 3000. Let us move to our code, this browser, and here we will do refresh, and it shows hello world my friend. Okay guys, so you can see that how we quickly implemented Node.js and created a normal hello world web server. So guys, if you liked the video, then quickly press the like button and share the video with your friends and colleagues, and please do let me know your views in the comment section below. So guys, let's end this video here, and we'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.